Hi, it's Gary at Broadlane. The postcode here for your sat-nav's B495QD and the contact number is 01789 763432. Let me show you around this 2013 Swift Conqueror 570 that's just arrived. Fixed side bed washroom across the back. It does feature the panoramic window at front. It has got the ATC system and it looks fabulous in its silver grey sides. It's got the niceties like your barbecue point and power on the outside, and it's also got access to the space under the fixed bed from the outside, making it easy to access things like your table and chairs. So you've got the curved two colour lockers with this chrome detailing strip and dare I say it, fantastic storage going on. Practical lounge up front and seating for, useful chest of drawers. Kitchen area, got a good old microwave, kitchen extension, easy to use fridge freezer, and it's got the full cooker unit. By that I mean it's got the 3 gas burners and the electric hot plate. You've got the double doors to the wardrobing, opening door to the washroom. It's got loo, wash basin and a shower respectively. Now this model here features this fixed side bed, lifts up nice and high to reveal great storage. And what I'll do with I'm just going to let my colleague go into the bathroom just so that you can see the bathroom area. It does come with the easy clean flooring, tailored loose lay carpet mat set. It also comes with the Alcester heating system, so you can use this bath all year round. Once again, it's Gary Broadlane. We offer great part exchange, finance subject status, and on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks very much.